Hey guys, so I gotta start cleaning, and this is my go-to vacuum cleaner for cleaning. It's the Eureka Airspeed Vacuum Cleaner, and I gotta tell you why this is my favorite vacuum cleaner, because it's a bagless, so you just empty it out and you just take it off here like that, which is great. Then you just dump it out when you're ready and when it's full. But anyway, let's go and start vacuuming. So you gotta press the button here and then it'll turn on. So it's very powerful and it's great. So that's good. So I gotta tell you guys, I really like this vacuum cleaner. Very powerful, very great. And it gets all the dust and all the dirt up. So it's my favorite vacuum for sure.